If L is parallel to K in the figure below, what is the value of x plus y plus z plus m? Okay, we're going to draw two more lines, one that passes through this point, the other one that passes through this point. So line here and this line is parallel to both L and K, and line here and this line is parallel with the other three lines. Since this is x, we know that this is also x, right? Corresponding angles. And here we have y, right? So by looking at these two parallel lines, the angle from here to here, which is equal to x plus y, that is equal to this angle right here, right? They're corresponding angles. So this angle right here, that's x plus y. Now if we look at these two parallel lines, these two angles, x plus y plus z and m, there are two consecutive interior angles. So we know that sum of these two angles is equal to 180. So x plus y plus z from here to here plus m, that is equal to 180. So x plus y plus z plus m, that is equal to 180. And this is what we are looking for. That is equal to 180.